Hello, good night. My first name is Alejandra and my last name is Flores. I'm going to spell my first name Alejandra and my last name Flores. I am a microbiology student. I am 18 years old. My phone of number is 33388966. I am live in Tegucigalpa and I am Honduran. Okay, I am short. My hair is brown, wavy, and medium. My eyes are dark and big. I am a friendly person. I am intelligent. I am generous person, but sometimes I am little impatient. I am talk active and I am very smile person. Thank you.